So that's why I don't use Lysol anymore.
Man, that's kind of crazy. Because that kind of sounds like my story with scrubbing bubbles, you know?
Oh my gosh.
I cannot stand that freaking sponge.
Dude,
it
that
ticks
sponge.
me off.
Oh
All
my
it
gosh.
does is
Okay,
dry
so,
up.
Yeah,
What
it
the
turns
heck?
into soap scum, which is what it was supposed to be getting rid of.
I know. I'm not
it, like,
oh.
oh my gosh. Oh, hey, look over there.
Hey, isn't that old man Jenkins's old house?
Yeah, I think so. I've seen some things over here.
Yeah, people still say that like spirit haunts it or whatever. Wanna go check it out?
Oh snap! I am psyched!
Oh, I can't believe we got back here! This is so cool!
Okay.
So, I mean, where do we go first?
Let's just explore a little before we go inside.
Alright. Dude, what's up with all these bushes?
Oh, seriously.
Kind of weird. What's behind here?
This house is whack, y'all! This house is whack, y'all! Hey, what's this? Locked.
It's locked.
We didn't lock it.
Locked.
We didn't lock it.
Oh my god. What just happened?
Yo, help!
Hello? Dang it.
There's a freaking whack house in here. We should go find the key.
Yeah.
All right.
Come on. Grace? This is getting kind of weird. Grace? Where the heck am I? Grace? What the heck was up with this guy? Any keys around here? Grace, come on! I'm looking for you. Oh my god. Oh! Please don't kill me!
Casey, did you find the key? Casey? Guess not. Gotta go find that. Casey! It's so dark in here. Perfect! I can use this to pick the lock. Whoa! Not again!